Imagine walking into your school classroom in the year 2050. The bell rings, you grab your backpack and take your seat. But instead of your usual teacher walking in, a shiny robot turns around from the board, smiles, and says,
Good morning, Alex. I've already checked your homework. Great improvement from yesterday.
Sounds pretty amazing, right? But wait, what if that robot doesn't just teach your lessons? What if it decides how you learn, what you learn, and even when you're ready to move to the next level? Would that make education smarter or completely soulless? Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest questions of our time. What will really happen when robots replace teachers? Stick around till the end, because this future might be a lot closer than you think. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has been sneaking into classrooms faster than we ever imagined. You might have already seen it: AI-powered tutoring apps, homework helper chatbots, and virtual classrooms that adapt to your personal learning style. Big companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are investing billions into this space. They're not just building small education tools. They're creating entire AI learning systems that can teach, test, and even evaluate emotional engagement. Experts predict that by 2050, 1 in every 3 schools in developed countries would use some form of AI assistant for teaching or grading. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. But with all this amazing technology, a serious question remains. Can a robot really replace a human teacher? Let's be real. Human teachers face huge challenges every single day. Big classrooms, limited time, hundreds of assignments to grade, and the constant stress of meeting every student's needs. It's exhausting. AI, on the other hand, doesn't get tired. It doesn't need sleep, coffee breaks, or weekends. It can analyze data from each student, track progress, and personalize lessons in real time. Imagine you're struggling with fractions in math, but you're really good at geometry. An AI teacher would notice that instantly. It would adjust your lessons automatically, giving you more help with fractions and letting you move faster through geometry. No embarrassment, no waiting, just you and your own learning journey. For schools, this is like a dream come true. AI learning systems are efficient, data-driven, and cost-effective. For students, it's freedom, learning at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, and the tutor never loses patience. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not exactly. Here's where things get complicated. Yes, robots can teach, but can they inspire? Think about your favorite teacher for a second. The one who believed in you, the one who made you laugh, the one who told you, I know you can do better, when you were ready to give up. That emotional connection, that human touch, is something no robot can replicate. AI doesn't understand emotions. It can recognize faces and tones, but it doesn't feel. It can't understand heartbreak, stress, or motivation. It can tell you that you failed a test, but it can't tell you, I know how hard you tried. Education isn't just about transferring knowledge. It's about shaping people, developing confidence, empathy, and curiosity. Without that emotional element, learning risks becoming robotic, repetitive, and lifeless. Let's talk about something that most people don't think about: data. AI runs on information. It learns from your tests, your assignments, your attention span, and even your facial expressions. But who owns that data? You, the school, or the company that built the AI? And what happens when that data is sold or hacked? What if it's used to predict your performance, or worse, your future career path, before you even graduate? Then there's the issue of bias. AI is only as fair as the people who programmed it. If an algorithm has bias built in, say, based on gender or background, it might unintentionally treat students differently. Who's responsible then? The robot or the company that built it? These are big ethical questions that schools and governments are still struggling to answer. Now, let's visualize what a classroom in 2050 might actually look like. You walk into a room with no blackboard and no textbooks. Every student wears AR or VR headsets that bring lessons to life. Your teacher is a holographic AI avatar who appears in front of you, speaking your name, analyzing your tone, and reading your emotions through facial recognition. If you look confused, it slows down the lesson. If you seem bored, it changes topics instantly. Homework? None, because the system already tracks everything you've done. All your notes, lessons, and progress are stored safely in the cloud. Every mistake you make becomes data to help you improve faster. A student in New York could share the same AI teacher as a kid in Japan, learning the exact same lesson in real time without ever meeting in person. It sounds incredible, and it kind of is. But is that really the classroom we want? Here's what some experts are starting to realize. The best future might not be robots replacing teachers, but robots helping teachers. Imagine AI handling the boring stuff, grading papers, tracking attendance, giving instant quizzes. Meanwhile, the human teacher focuses on creativity, teamwork, emotional support, and critical thinking, things robots still can't do. This balance could create the most powerful education system ever. Technology delivering knowledge, and humans delivering wisdom. That's the sweet spot. Surveys show very mixed feelings about AI in schools. Some students love AI tutors because they're patient and never get angry. They say it's easier to ask questions when you're not afraid of being judged. But others say it feels lonely. They miss real conversations, real laughter, and that emotional connection that only a human teacher can bring. Parents are also divided. Some love the idea of smarter, faster learning, but others worry about screen addiction, data privacy, and the loss of social skills. After all, school isn't just about learning math or science. It's about making friends, working in groups, and learning how to communicate with people. That's something no algorithm can truly teach. So, what will really happen when robots replace teachers? Maybe the truth is, they won't completely replace them. The future probably won't be robots or humans. It'll be robots and humans working together. AI will make education smarter, faster, and more personalized. But human teachers will make it emotional, inspiring, and meaningful. Think of it like this: AI is the brain, but humans are the heart, and both are needed to make learning complete. As we move closer to 2050, one thing is clear: classrooms will look nothing like what we grew up with. There'll be digital boards, holographic lessons, and data-driven curriculums. But the best learning experiences will still come from the human connection, from the teacher who cares, motivates, and inspires. So, what do you think? Would you want a robot as your teacher? Or would you prefer a human? Someone who laughs at your jokes, understands your struggles, and inspires your dreams? Maybe the best future isn't choosing one side. Maybe it's about finding balance, using AI to make learning smarter, but never forgetting what makes education truly human. If you enjoyed exploring this future with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got more amazing stories coming soon about how artificial intelligence is changing our world, one innovation at a time. And before you go, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you trust a robot to teach your kids?